Hello Stack fam, Benjamin here, the creator of Stackable, and I'm bringing you a video update of what's new in version 3.16. This version and in upcoming ones are focused on lessening the need for you to tinker around with individual blocks. Our aim is for you to be able to add a block or a section that would readily fit your website. So we have a bunch of new features and then we'll be going through them one by one. So first we have theme JSON support, and then preset sliders and global value presets, and lastly global typography type scale. Let's start with the theme.json support. Stackable blocks will now inherit styles from your block theme and your style editor settings. So previously, with my default 25 theme, when I add the native block, let's say a button block, it looks like this. So I'll just add a button block. So it looks black. And when I add a stackable button, it looks like this. So the two buttons are very different. So if you want to match it with your theme, the stackable button, you'd have to style it yourself to match. So we were thinking, it doesn't have to be this way. Now in 3.16, when you add the stackable button, it now looks like this. Much better. Alright, so now I changed themes. I'm now using another block theme called Tove, and I have here my native block button. And when I add the stackable button right now, it now also looks like this. We call this block style inheritance, and it works for almost all stackable blocks. Block style inheritance is enabled for new installs, but for backward compatibility, if you've just upgraded from an older version, this feature will be off so as not to disturb your workflow. But you can turn this on anytime in your settings under miscellaneous inherit block styles from theme.json. Next is preset sliders and global value presets. Your block theme's preset values are now used in the different block controls. So for example, here in my columns block, I have my inner column spacing. These are all now using my theme's preset values. Column gap, and also for font sizes. So now I can slide through the different font sizes like medium large, and extra large. But if you want to go back to the old way of doing things, you can always click on the custom mode button on the side. So you can toggle between using values or presets. If you are a premium user, you'll also be able to customize these global preset values. Just head over to the stackable settings, to global preset controls, and you can customize the preset values for font pairs, your margin paddings and gaps, block heights, and border radius. Just click on custom and then you can modify the values. Just like theme.json support, preset sliders are also backward compatible. For new installs, preset values will be the default mode for range controls, but if you've just upgraded from an older version, then you can turn this feature on by heading to the settings, in editor settings, and then go to editor, and then turn on use size presets by default. Lastly, under the stackable settings and inside the global typography panel, you will find a new option called type scale. This option lets you pick a scale amount for your different heading sizes, ensuring that their sizes are proportional and look visually pleasing to the eye. To use it, just click on a ratio and then see all your font sizes for your headings adjust accordingly to the ratio. So the bigger ratio gives you bigger heading sizes. Depends on your style. So I'll pick this. Let's see. Now this option is amazing for responsive mode. You can change the mode into mobile view using the responsive toggle here, or you can change it using the preview button above. So let's say I'll change it into mobile. And if your current font sizes look too big like mine, then you can just change the type scale to something smaller. and now this fits better with small screens. Alright, so those are all the big updates we have for you in Stackable 3.16. I hope you like this new explainer video. This is a new type of content that we've prepared to better show you what we've been working on and how you could actually use it. Until next time, keep on stacking.